The kinetic energies of a planet in an elliptical orbit about the Sun at positions A and B are A, B, and C are Ka, Kb, and Kc respectively. AC is the major axis and SB is perpendicular to AC at the position of Sun as shown in figure. Then we know that according to conservation of angular momentum, when the distance is minimum, that means at point A, the velocity will be maximum. So velocity at A, and if we are considering the point B over here, its velocity is going to be greater than, it's less than that of velocity of point A. And if you're considering point C, the distance is maximum. So when the distance is maximum, velocity will be minimum. So we can say that V of A is greater than V of B, which is greater than that of V of C. Same thing with kinetic energy, where the velocity is more, there the kinetic energy will be more. So kinetic energy of A is greater than kinetic energy of B, which is greater than kinetic energy of C.